Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be doing the second part to the immune booster tea, and it's something very beneficial during this time. So let's get started. Lemongrass is very beneficial, and so is amas. If you don't have amas, ding ding ding, lemongrass is the way to go. Because this plant over here, it's not easy to find it, but lemongrass, you can find it. So the benefit of lemongrass: it helps prevent bacteria and yeast. It relieves pain, swelling, and improves the blood sugar. And if you have cholesterol issues, and it's also a great antioxidant agent. So is amlas. Okay, the ginger powder. Since I'm not using the regular ginger, the ginger powder, the benefit of the ginger. Ginger, it helps reduce nausea. It helps fight cold and flu. And the lemon here is good for pretty much of everything. You could put it in a glass of water to refresh you and to clean out your system. It has high vitamin C. It removes radicals and it boosts your immune system as well. Honey, it helps improve your blood sugar. It helps aids if you have heart disease problem. Honey is really good for that, especially if you have cough. Turmeric is also an anti-inflammatory agent. It has many benefits, such as it helps aid cancer. It helps aid Alzheimer's, and so much more. Cloves is also an anti-inflammatory property. Okay, you guys, I have the 2 slices of lemon and the lemongrass boiling right now with the amlas, and it's optional if you want to put salt, but it's not mandatory to put the salt, but you can put a teaspoon of salt if you want to. So this is boiling for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to add the rest. The turmeric is going to have it turn yellow, and the honey, it makes it a little bit sweet, and it's with the lemon, it's just awesome. The flavor is good. You have to try it. This is no gimmick. So try it and then leave a comment and let me know, because it tastes really good actually. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you take this information and you use it on your daily norm, and especially during this pandemic.